The Quran speaks about taqwallah. How many times have we heard, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu taqullah, O you who believe. O you who believe, develop the correct relationship with Allah. You know, taqwallah refers to piety. It refers to God consciousness. It refers to an element of the fear of Allah. The fear that is born out of love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I don't want to go against His command and His instruction. That is Allah. My brothers, my sisters, what's of utmost importance is for us to know that if my relationship with Allah is good, nothing can harm me. Nothing will hurt me or damage me or bring me down, because Allah is the one who will strengthen me all the time. But if we have a weak relationship with Allah, in that case, shaitan or the devil will tamper with us. We will not realize the importance of worship. We won't realize the importance of modest dress. We won't realize the importance of being upright, great character, great conduct, helping others, being kind to creatures of the Almighty, including animals. We won't realize the importance of worship because we don't even have a relationship with Allah Almighty.